Privately, she's amongst the 1 in 10 Brits born with dyslexia, which means she struggles to read.
A company, or severely wounded, or severely wounded.
Now, Cara wants to confront what dyslexia is and why it's been holding her back.
People of your age and intelligence are normally much quicker and more accurate when they're reading.
For the first time as an adult, she'll have a condition assessed and undergo training in an attempt to help her cope with her dyslexia.
This is really thick for me, but I can't think right now. You try, you really try, and yet it just doesn't seem to go in.
She wants to meet other young dyslexics to find out how their lives have been affected.
Pedestrian. Like I'm half thick or what? What's up with me?
It felt like just a wall of words, numbers and people, and it was just trapped.
We really need to wake up and think about how we teach kids, and so that these kids aren't getting lost out there.
Can she gain control over her dyslexia?
I thought it was just Kay. You're not whispering in the background.
Dad, I need to learn that, but
And transform the way she lives.
it's like giving up an addiction, isn't it? Can I suddenly U-turn and decide to do something completely different? I don't know. I just felt stupid.